Here is the 4525. Look, I'll just do a walk around and then I'll start doing the inside of it. Control panel, program loaded up on it. USB memory upgrade. Right here. It's kind of narrow. Inside of here. The AXS card is in this bag. Can't open the power box for you, but I can open this guy up. That's the dial frost and the pump. Pump is new. All the pumps work. The through the spindle coolant works, but I rebuilt it twice and it just leaks, so I gave up on that. Chip auger inside. Chip auger works. I do have the covers for those wash downs. I just don't put them on. I took them off because they were kind of dirty, and they do work. Spindle, I don't have any tools in it. I can go grab a tool. Grab some tools so you can see verify that it works here. Just gonna set you down. Let's see where we are here. Alright, so it says tool ones in there. We'll go ahead and keep that in there. Alright. So I'll jog it over, all the way over an X. That's this button here. Stops, and then Y till it stops, and then I'll come over here, tell it to go home, and it's waiting. And this is a rapid. We'll come back on the jog mode, come back over here. To the front, back to home, turn this light off, jog my Z down, I'm not going to touch the table. Going back to home position. Good to go. I'll do a tool change for you real quick. I'm going to tool 2. There you go. I'm just going to run the program that was in it and start. I have no idea what this is going to do. We'll turn this off because I don't want coolant everywhere. like a drill cycle. All right. I hope that was enough video. It's well maintained. And take care of them. Thank you. 45-25 again. I realized I forgot to do the spindle RPMs for you, so here we go. I'll go S 2500. Oh, we'll do low gear. So we'll go S 1000 M3. S 2500 M3. S 7500 M3. Switch up some gears. And S 10,000. There you go.